Precise slide table saw. Various applications. Suitable for MDF, particle board, ABS panels, PVC panels, solid wood, plexiglass, and other similar hardness plates. Heavy duty and big working table. Outstanding qualified motor. Concentrate lubricating system. Adopting the advanced design. Assure the stable performance and low noise. Automatic lifting. Saw blade tilt 45 to 90 degrees. Digital display. Make your work easy and efficient. European type dust filtering cover. Folding design. Using the qualified columnar guide rail in sliding table. High precision and long lift span.